Welcome back, students. In this class we continue chapter comparing quantities, chapter number 8 and exercise 8.2. 8.3. So in the previous class we completed the first question. There the sub problem A we completed. Now the same question number 1 part B we are solving. So calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So there are two methods in this question also. So first is by using year by year calculation. So the data given here is principal, they have given as 18,000, rate of interest 10% per annum, and year is 2.5 year. So 2.5 years. So next is we'll start solving. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100 is equal to, what is the principal? That is 18,000 into 10 into 1 year. Since it is compounded annually, we'll take it as 1 year. So 1 year into 1. So they are given in the question compounded annually, that is yearly. So we'll have 100 here. Simplify this. So what we get is 1,800 rupees. 1,000. So 1,800 we are getting. So what is the amount at the end of the first we are getting? Amount at the end of first year. So what is the amount we have to? That is principal plus SI, that is simple interest, is equal to how much? That is 18,000 is the principal given, 1,800 is the SI. So what is the result? That is 19,800 we are getting. So this is the at the end of the amount at the end of the first year. Now we have to calculate simple interest taking this principal. So in this case, what is the principal will be? Rupees 19,800. Again, rate of interest is 10% per annum, and time is 1 year. So don't get confused with this 2.5 year and this compounded annually. So here we have to calculate by year. So after this, so simple interest formula PTR over 100. So what is the principal? 19,800, 10 into 1 divided by 100. So calculate this, we'll get how much? 1,980 we are getting. So amount, next step is amount at the end of second year. So principal plus simple interest is equal to, what is principal? That is 19,800 plus how much? Plus 1,980, which is equal to 21,780. So next is how much we got. This is as, so next we have to calculate for the half year. So amount at the end of, so now 2 years we finished. Now year principal we are getting as 21,780 plus rate of interest is 10% per annum, then time will be half year. 2 years we finished, now half year is left, we'll take half year. So take same thing, that is SI is PTR over 100. What is the principal? That is 21,780 into 10 into half. This will come in the denominator into 100. So here 0 0 this one. So 2 into this one, simplify, we will get how much? 1,000 rupees, 1,089. So this one will just 1089 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 8s are 16, 7 1, 2 1s are 2. So this is the result. This is for half year we will calculate. We finish for 2 years and half is left. So this is the answer for 2.5 years. So next part is, after finishing this, we have to calculate this amount at the end of 2.5 years is equal to how much? Rupees, how much we got? That is principal is 21,780 plus rupees 1,000, that is this is for 2 previous principal, and this is the half years amount what we got, SI. Therefore rupees, add these two, we'll getting 22,869. Now after this 2.5 years we finished. Now compound interest is equal to how much? That is principal minus this one. Therefore take this rupees 22, the amount at the end of 2.5 years, minus rupees the main principal amount what they had given in question, that is 18,000. So finally we'll get rupees 4,869. This is how to calculate. So this was the first method, that is by using year by year calculation. Now we move on to the second method, that is by using so I'll continue in the next sheet, by using compound interest formula. So here by using compound interest formula, here the principal is rupees 18,000, rate of interest is 10% per annum, and N will take it for 2 years. So what is the formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So substitute the values, that is principal is 18,000 and 1 plus rate of interest 10 by 100 to the power of N is 2 years. Therefore 18,000, 1 cancel, 18,000, cross multiply this, 10 plus 1 by 10 to the power of 2, then 18,000 into 11 by, add this 11 by 10 the whole square. Therefore 18,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, cancel this. So we'll get how much? That is multiply all this, we'll get rupees 21,780. So now simple interest on simple interest on rupees, take this amount 21,780 at how much 10% rate of interest, or is equal to, this is P, this is R is equal to 10% per annum, and here is half year. Therefore SI is equal to PTR by 100 is equal to 21,780 into half, it will come here to the denominator, into 100. So simplify this. So what we get is rupees 1,089 we are getting. So finally add both now. So amount at the end of 2.5 years is equal to rupees, how much we got, 21,780 plus rupees 1,089. Add both, we'll get rupees 22,869. After this we'll calculate compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P. So this amount we have to take. Therefore rupees 22,869 minus rupees, what is the principal, that is 18,000, we'll get rupees 4,869. So this is the result. We are getting the same in both the method. We should get the same result in both the methods. So this completes the second part, that is the B. We will move on to the C part. So C part is, so the new problem in the question 1, that is rupees 62,500 for 1.5 year at 8% per annum, compounded of yearly. So this is compounded of yearly. First we, in the previous problems it was annually, now it is given as half yearly. So first method is by using half year by half year calculation. First we used to take in the previous problem, that is year by year calculation, but here half year by half year calculation. So next is same thing here. Principal is rupees 62,500. Rate of interest is 8% per annum. And year, that is the time, is equal to half year. So substitute here SI PTR by 100 is equal to 62,500 into 8 into 1 by 2 into 100. So simplify this, 2 1s are 2 4s are, we'll get, that is, so this is 62,500. After this we get, after simplifying, rupees 65,000 we are getting. After this, next is same thing as we did in the previous problem. Amount at the end of, since they are given for 1.5 year, so first half year, since we are taking half year calculation, first half year, add, that is this 65,000 plus some mistake I have made. This is after calculating we will getting rupees 2,500. So now we have to add this, that is 62, this one 62,500 plus this one rupees, then rupees 2,500. So total we are getting as, that is 65,000. So this is the amount at the end of the first year. So after this, next is, so we'll take SI on this. Again principal will be rupees 65,000. Rate of interest will be 8% per annum. Time will be half year again. So substitute the values. So SI is equal to PTR by 100 is equal to 65,000 into 8 into 1 by 2 into 100. So calculate this. How much we are getting here? So after simplifying, you will get 1s are 2 4s are, that is 2,600. So amount at the, next is amount at the end of second year. Second year will be how much? Rupees 65,000 plus this one, that is rupees 2,600. So the add these two will get 67,600. So amount at the end of the second year. So next we will calculate for off year we finished. Then one more off year is there. So 1.5 year. So therefore next we'll take principal as rupees 67,600. Time is equal to rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum, and time is equal to half year. So we finished half twice, that is 1 year, and one more half is left. Therefore SI is equal to PTR by 100 is equal to 67,600 into 8 into 1 by 2 by 100. Therefore cancel this to 4. Simplify this. We are getting rupees 2,704 as the answer. So now what is the next point? That is amount at the end of third half year. Third half year. So add this, that is rupees 67,600 plus rupees 2,704. Therefore adding we will get 70,304. So this is the required amount. Finally the compound interest is equal to rupees 70,304 minus rupees, the main principal given as 62,500. The answer will be rupees 7,804. So this is the final result. So now we have next method is what? Second method is, I'll just write here only, by using compound interest formula. Compound interest formula. So what is the principal? Principal is rupees 62,500 and rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum, and time here we have to take this is of into 8% per annum 4, that is 4% per half year we have to take this one, that is take this off into this 8%, then we'll get 4% per half year. So n will be 1.5 year. So now we have to take, that is 1.5 year into 2 years. This will be equal to 3 half years. So this is the calculation. Now take the formula P into 1 plus R by 100. N is equal to, substitute the value 62,500 into 1 by, take this 4, that is rate of interest, divided by 100, and also N will be 3 years. So that is 3 half years we have to take. So 1.5 means 3 half years. So this will be 3 year. So simplify this, we'll get 62,500 4 25 1 plus 1 by 25 cube is equal to 62,500 into 25 plus 1 by 25 to the power of cube. Therefore this will be 62,500 into 26 by 5 to the power of cube. Simplify this again I'll write 62,500 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. So what is the value we are getting? After this we'll get rupees. Simplify this, we'll get 70,304. So what is the final step? That is compound interest will be CI is equal to A minus P, this one. What is A? We are getting rupees 70,304 minus what is principal given in the starting, that is 62,500. Subtract this, we'll get rupees 7,804. So this ends the third subproblem, that is the part C in the question 1. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.